How is rain formed? Chat GPT. Rain is formed through a process called the water cycle, which involves the continuous movement of water between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. Here's a simplified explanation of how rain is formed. Evaporation. The sun's heat causes water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and other bodies of water to evaporate, turning it into water vapor. Additionally, evaporation also occurs from plants and moist surfaces. Condensation. As the water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it cools down and condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. This process occurs around dust particles, salt particles, or other aerosols in the air, forming clouds. Cloud formation. The water droplets or ice crystals continue to condense and cluster together, forming visible clouds in the sky. Clouds appear white or gray because they reflect sunlight. Precipitation. Within the clouds, the water droplets or ice crystals collide and combine with each other, forming larger droplets. When these droplets become too heavy to remain suspended in the air, they fall to the ground as precipitation. Rain. If the temperature in the cloud is above freezing point, the precipitation falls as rain, which is liquid water. B. Snow. When the temperature in the cloud is below freezing point, the precipitation falls as snow, which consists of ice crystals. C. Sleet. In some cases, the snowflakes may partially melt as they pass through a layer of warmer air and refreeze before reaching the ground, forming sleet. D. Freezing rain. If the snowflakes melt completely and then pass through a shallow layer of freezing air near the surface, they become supercooled and freeze upon contact with objects, forming freezing rain. Collection. When rain or other forms of precipitation reach the Earth's surface, it collects in various ways. It can flow into rivers, lakes, and oceans, replenishing the water sources, or it can be absorbed by the ground, recharging groundwater reserves. This continuous cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation ensures the availability of water on Earth and is responsible for the formation of rain,